Hello everyone, we are undergraduate students from University of Technology Malaysia and we would like to present our assignment 2 on our course Extracurricular Experiential Learning. In this video, my teammates will explain the weaknesses in UTM Graduate Attributes among students and how it can be improved by carrying out an extracurricular program. Alright, let's get started.
Hi everyone, my name is Elvis. So before we enter the proposed event, we will discuss UTM Graduate Attributes. You might want to ask, what is this? In basically say, UTM Graduate Attributes is a high-level qualities, skills, and understandings in students. It might or might not relate to student professions. However, it's a lifelong learning and personal development process. These attributes are very important in building student personal characteristics and their personality. There are a total 7 of UTM Graduate Attributes, which are shown on the screens. The proposed event, debate competitions, will highlight 3 attributes, which are communication skills, thinking skills, and leadership and team working skills. For communication skills, it allows students to deliver their stance, information, and ideas effectively through communications, either public speaking or one-to-one speaking. For thinking skills, it allows students to think creatively, out of the box, and from various perspectives. For leadership and team working skills, the debate competitions, which team as a 4, allow students to cultivate leadership and team working skills throughout the preparation and competition process. Next, we'll see about the details of the debate competitions.
Event details. The event details, the activity name of this event is UTM Debate Tournament 2021. The activity date of this event is 10th July 2021. The content of the activity background is debating. The debate is a competitive activity, so participants are members of a team. The debate team is much like typical sports teams with practices, meets, tournaments, and coaches. A debate round, one full debate, takes about an hour. A judge picks a winner in each debate based on which side does the better job of upholding their position. So the target participants for this event is 32 persons, 4 persons per team, and we have 8 teams. The goals and objectives for this event is to sharpen the public speaking skills of the participants, to enhance the analytic skills, and to improve the research skills of each participant.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ung A18KE0036 and I'm gonna continue with the presentation. Firstly, for the invited guests, there are 2 parts. Firstly, for the purpose of opening and closing ceremony, a representative from UTM is needed since it is an official tournament. So the higher position of representative, the better the tournament will be. The best case scenario that we can get here is the Vice Chancellor of UTM. Second part is for the judges. The judges are from the English Department of Language sector of UTM. Moving on to the next slide. For the activity schedule, the schedule will be in one day so that we can easily manage the time for every participant. So to ease the flow, we will do a knockout stage so that less time will be consumed. After calculation, 1 hour will be allocated for each match. So the morning session are for the quarterfinals, as you can see, from 9 to 1, and then we will have a lunch break at 1 until 2, and then we will be moving on to the semifinals and finals. After that, we will have a closing ceremony where a closing speech and the prize giving ceremony will be done. For the financial statement, since it is an online tournament, less budget is needed. The only budget that we need is for the prizes, and the prize will be in cash prize so that we can pass the prizes to the winners easily. For the first prize, it will be 500 ringgit. Second prize is the second place is 300 and the third and fourth is 100 each, so the total will be 1000. Finally, for the monitoring and evaluation, the tournament will be done fully in online platform due to current pandemic situation. Standard rules for debating are applied throughout the tournament. To monitor the time management, the team must be in online session 50 minutes earlier to ease the preparation. The results from the judges are final, and the organizer must handle the crowd in the online meeting session. For the evaluation part, a questionnaire was distributed to the students to get opinions towards the event. Second thing that we can do is the organizer can conduct an interview to the participants and publics to get the feedbacks of the competition so that more improvement can be done in the future. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Bik Sing. Previously, our member has mentioned on the three main attributes that will be enhanced in this program, which includes communication skill, thinking skill, teamworking, and leadership skill. These skills are basic, but it is important for all students in UTM. Now, let's have a quick look on respective attributes. First, with the practice of communication skill, students can be able to describe and deliver the idea precisely and effectively. Apart from that, it also helps students to have confidence in daily communication with others as well. Next, the critical thinking is crucial for all students, especially during the process of problem solving. Good thinking skill not only help students to deal with the problem, but also helping in the planning of activities and programs in the future. Finally, the teamworking and leadership skill. This skill is important when students are working with others in a group. This skill not only guarantees the smoothness of the working process, but also helps students to finish the work effectively. Although these skills are less likely to be taught during the lecture, however, they are very important in student perspective. Thus, these skills will have to be built among students in order to have a good personality and ability to compete with the others in working environment in the future.
In this session, I will discuss about a survey which will reflect the attitude of UTM graduates toward UTM graduate attributes. The survey is conducted by using Google Form and lasts for 2 weeks. There are a total of 28 responses and 4 questions asked during this survey. The results are shown here. The first question was, which attributes below are most lacked and needed by you? From the result, we can see that most students claim that communication skills and leadership and teamworking skills are very lacked by them. For second question, do you agree that UTM graduate attributes are very important to UTM students? From the result, we can see that almost all of them agree about these statements, while none of them disagree about this. Partial of them are neutral about these statements. For the third question, we are proposing a debate competition which will enhance communication skills, thinking skills, and teamworking and leadership skills. Do you agree that this activity will effectively enhance graduate attributes? The result is almost same, which is most of them agree that this statement is true. However, none of them disagree about this statement. Only about 1/8 of them are neutral. Finally, the question was, does university provide enough opportunities for graduates to cultivate these attributes? From the result, we can see that only very little of them claim that the university does provide enough opportunities. However, most of them claim that no or maybe toward these statements. From the result, we can see that the university does not provide enough opportunities for graduates to cultivate the UTM graduate attributes. Throughout this survey, we can highlight 2 things. The first, the most needed graduate attributes by the UTM students. And second, how can we provide more opportunities for the students to cultivate the UTM graduate attributes.
So, in a nutshell, we aim to sharpen 3 UTM graduate attributes, which are teamworking and leadership skills, communication skills, and thinking skills. Hence, the English debate program that we propose is able to provide a great opportunity for both the organizer and the participants either to pick up or to sharpen these skills. That's all for our presentation today. We hope that it has been informative to you all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.